I'll tell you what, man, this small tire class.
We used our student loans.
We got X275. We got Chrome 275, which is outlaw radio.
Oh yeah, dude, we use our student loans, man.
Street class running tomorrow.
We freaking made
Two street class running tomorrow. We got a 650 class. That's right, guys. You can't miss us.
Had a buddy with a 72 Nova. Yeah, he experimented with the glue first. He had a Hoosier Slick. Oh yeah, that thing loved the street.
Hey, y'all got the track down there, guys. Off the track. Thank you.
Oh yeah, and one time one of my other buddies, he had a Z28 split bumper. He got somewhere like a 70 model. Oh yeah, that thing was freaking badass. He used to take me to school in it.
All right, we got my man in the back, Eric Stubbs. That's right, guys. Out of Stubbs Army, out of Houston, Texas.
Back when we were in junior college.
We got my man Ray Parsons out of Arkansas, I believe. Yes, sir. We got Arkansas in the Hellfire.
Alrighty, guys. We got both cars with the exotic type paint job. One of them tuned by JP, same guy that tunes Darius Kelly's. Oh yeah, man, that thing's a beast. Oh, this Parsons right here, y'all. Well, I want some barbecue.
That's like Easter candy, man. Both of those cars. Don't they look like Easter candy?
They both exotic.
I like that shit.
He was doing a good job. He's showing some concern. He alright down there. Dang, I thought he won. He flying. It don't sound. It sound like the green car gave it all he had, man. Yeah, we're gonna check the data log and see what's going on. Let's go ahead and bring this thing back.
Oh, please look out, sir.
Gotcha. Yeah, we're gonna have to push this thing back one more time. I don't know what the freak could be wrong with this thing. We've put a lot of time and effort into it, and it's freaking messing up during this radio roundup. Darn.
Hey, if he starts cranking the thing, I wouldn't stand right
there. Yeah, me neither.
Yeah.
Oh, he finna try to crank it. I don't like being around now. Oh, I hear Funky Town. He's still talking about something set up. I hear him.
Tell him to bet like that tomorrow. He ain't gonna bet shit. He ain't gonna bet a goddamn thing. He ain't gonna bet shit. That's his bet. That's the only way he bet. That's his bet. He got a robot, man. That's the only way he bet.
Been hitting them, boy.
Oh, you been hitting them?
Yeah, I just won on that.
Oh, yeah.
Cash your check.
Okay. Boy, the K Dream Takeover. Oh, yeah, dude. The glue is actually holding this thing down. Yeah, he's not being able to get a good start off. Oh yeah, man, I tried to get him to stop. It's freaking so fast though. Yeah, this glue is working so good, it's making it backfire. What's up with it, man? Look out, look out. Yeah, they can't freaking, it's actually looking the motor down. They're gonna have to put more timing.
Even if he make a trip, he don't get got. He got by that motherfucker. Got.
Hey, that's because he running. What do you want? What do you want this round? What car do you want?
I want that one right there.
Give me 5-1. Fuck it, I'll go over there again.
5-1.
I already got it a couple times.
Okay, I'll give it to you if he don't spin the tires back.
Oh, it's okay because it's gonna fucking backfire and catch fire, motherfucker.
Okay, 500.
No.
If he don't blow the tires, get 500 to
So if he blows the tires, what happens to the bet?
No bet. You gotta make the trip.
You said blow the tires though. Yeah.
If he really,
You gotta make the trip.
yeah. You gotta make the trip.
No.
You gotta make the trip.
$1,000.
You said you want 5-1, bitch.
You said he spins the tires, not makes the trip.
Hey, for 2,000, I'm gonna jump down front of that motherfucker with a light turn green.
And white chocolate won't get out South to be. South to be can't make a full pass right now. When South to be get up there, you'll have a good bet if you say no full pass, which I wouldn't be afraid to say it. And I feel like I got a good bet too. I feel confident. I just seen him try 3 times.